Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can delete Robinhood account, but before that please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So what you're going to be doing is, first of all, you can see I have searched in the Robinhood close my account section, and it's gonna show how you will be able to close your account and close an individual account, right, or close a joint account. Both option is given over here. So what you would need, according to that, I'm going to be let you through the steps. So you want to close an individual account, you just have to make sure that you close all of your position and confirm you have no pending deposits. Once you are done with that, cleared out all the assets, withdrawn it, and then what you're going to do is you're going to go to account section, right, and then from there simply go ahead, click the settings option, tap on deactivate account, and simply go ahead, follow the prompts to simply choose the account you would like to close, and then simply have to provide some verification information. Once you have done that, you're going to confirm and disable your account, and that's how you will be able to deactivate. You can see, and that is it. Make sure, do not try to activate that account after you have deactivated. Let it be, and it will be soon be removed or closed. That's it. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.